Bomberman, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
I hate this game.
No, I love that game.
Where am I?
Oh yeah, it's like playing with fire.
How do you go?
Oh, that's cool.
Oh. How do you plant a bomb? Oh.
You gotta hide.
Okay, Adam, I'm going to
Yeah.
destroy you.
I'm gonna destroy you. What do you want from me? Oh. MLG.
Oh, almost died.
YOLO. Oh.
Yay. 4 freaking balloons.
Die. No. Die.
Die, all of you!
Ah, no.
What is this? Oh, what is this? Oh!
Damn it.
You died. How did I die? I didn't die. How did I die?
You won.
Screw you.
Sorry, Adam.
That guy looks stupid.
Yeah, won a game. Yay.
Oh, never mind.
You shouldn't do anything.
I'm back.
Can't move.
Oh,
I'm out to get you. I'm out to get you.
I'm like trapped in here.
YOLO. Oh.
Oh.
Damn it!
Yeah. Oh no! I killed myself.
Oops, I put the balloon in the wrong place.
Hey, Oscar, how are you alive?
Cause I pressed space and then
Yes, extra balloon. Oh god, I have no control of the monkey. Oh. How's that? No! No! Don't you dare!
How do you do this? How do you take the life?
no.
He was lucky. He was lucky he caught me at the last second.
How do you take a life?
Hmm?
How do
gotta
you take
blow.
someone's life?
Oh, you just you can't do it as a ghost. Like you have to be like the actual monkey, not a ghost monkey.
Oh. I see, I see. Whoa.
You can't just a monkey.
How do you buy a new monkey?
I'm not. I need to kill this Abdullah and Abdul. OP.
Look at this strategy. Oh my god.
Oh wow, I just wasted a balloon there. Oh my god.
Mmm. Mmm.
Are you serious?
Mmm.
Oh, why did I do that?
Oh, what's this?
We gotta get him! Yay! Yay!
Oh, god damn it, no!
No! Oh wait! Oscar, we gotta get him! We gotta get... Ah!
Ah.
Adam, Adam, stop lagging.
I'm not lagging. Oh no! Get back here.
No! What the hell? I can't.
Woo.
Adam,
Yeah.
go over my
No!
body box.
Oh god damn it! Oh, I'll get you, Oscar.
I'm gonna get you.
No! No! Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god, this is intense. Oh!
Oh.
No!
What the hell? You bought a pin?
I bought a pin?
Or how'd you get out of the balloon so fast?
I don't know.
Yeah. Ghost balloon, get that out of here. My speed, it's too much. I need more speed. All the speed. I'm sorry. Sorry.
No! Oh. Oh my god.
That's a
Oh,
good.
I wanted that.
Oh.
Oh, I'm so slow now.
I'll go super speed.
Take out balloons. Yeah.
Oh god damn it, I messed up. Oh, should thank this guy, he saved me. No! No!
Die, Oscar! Whoa, how? How did he do that?
He just
No!
killed himself. Oh, you get him!
No!
Get him! Ah, damn it. Oy.
Die! Get away from me! Yeah!
Oscar. Sorry, Oscar.
Who's Jamie? No, you didn't even kill me. It was like those other two balloons.
Ah,
Oh yeah.
this boost.
Oh,
Damn
there's
it!
no free stuff. Oh crap, I bought a pin! Now I have like super low money.
I have like 120.
Oh my god, I bought a pin.
Oh, just killed myself. No! Die, you freaking. No! He survived.
You're mine.
All the re-
Uh.
I
Shit.
hate this now.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I need more power-ups, no. I gotta get these power-ups. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Oh! Oh! Lag. Ugh. Oh no! Get away from me! Oh. That guy. This is yet. Dunna dunna. Oh, I have glasses on now.
Gave me a good-
Ooh, yes.
Oh. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Oh.
God damn it!
Eat you.
Oh no! Oh.
Eat your monkey.
I will get you, Oscar.
Oh.
Hey, speed. I need speed. Woohoo! More speed. Oh, damn it! No! Oh my gosh.
Oh, on fourth again.
I want to customize my monkey. How do you custom?
Yeah, it's a different spawn now.
It's the same. Like. Hey, balloons.
I kind of lag at the part.
Balloon upgrades do.
It gives you more like space, like the how do I say it? The distance.
No, no, that's a range.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Balloon one.
Oh, the plus balloons. How many balloons you could place? I
Oh.
think. Oh, oh! Get out of there! No!
Yeah.
You son of a bitch.
You got killed by the ginger monkey.
Okay, you know what? Rage quit.
No! Don't rage quit.
Look at this guy's range. Oh my god.
And some glasses.
Oh my god. OP range.
That face mask one. 45 coins.
Yo. I like how he is with max speed. So you got speed and range.
Oh, look at this. Amazing. I can plant 4. Prepare to die.
No, no, no.
5.
Oh, thank God.
You just kill yourself.
Oh, thank God.
You kill
Look at
ginger
all this like a place. I'm amazing.
monkey.
Oh. Come out.
So,
Ah!
Shut
No! Oh, I had like super good balloons.
your monkey character avatar thing is disappointing me all. At least I'm not 4th.
Wow! I sorry I killed you first.
Dunna, 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 dunna. Oh.
Hey, range. Range.
3 balloons.
Yay, more range.
Super OP. Take this, warrior. No!
Range.
No, 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 no,
Ah, no!
Take
Give
him
your
first,
death,
stop me, no! I hate
Did-
you, Oscar. Oh wait, no, that's not you.
I
Oh, okay,
died.
never mind.
Like 3 power-ups there. What the? Oh my gosh, I have like max range. Why I have half? Half of it.
Why
Look
can't
at
I
that.
put bombs?
Range, get away. No. My range back me. Oh my god, nearly killed myself. Damn, that's
Oh. Holy crap.
bad. Look at this range. Oh,
Whoa.
It's so dramatic.
need a power-up. Blocky best give me. Range! Even more range. Oh my god. He's too fast. Who put that down?
Adam
He's
did.
fast!
No, I don't
Yes!
have bombs.
Holy! No, there's nothing else. How am I supposed to...
How do you place bombs? Oh my god. You see how fast that guy is?
You're gonna...
Oscar!
You can do
Run.
this. You can do this.
Try to outsmart him.
can't the balloons.
Keep pressing spacebar to plant the...
No, I don't, I never got a balloon power-up, so...
Oh, you only have one? Uh-oh, it's closing in. No.
It's closing in! Stay in the middle, Oscar. Oh.
Oh, I'm second
Oh
now.
my goodness gracious.
We need to shut him down. Actually, not. Let's do these blocks for power-up. Let's see.
Yes. Assume.
Yay, more range.
Oh, these sexy power-ups.
No, Lion.
What?
Why? Why would you
Wait,
escape
what?
from that? No, I just killed myself. No,
Ah!
don't. Oh wait, that was awesome.
Ah!
Sexy.
No.
Oh, no.
Perfectly.
Ew, Oscar's naked monkey has no glass.
All the... Oh, it has all the speed.
Ariana Grande is one of the hottest chicks ever.
Mm-hmm.
Give me
No,
this.
no, don't lie!
Way better
Feels
than Asa
good,
Akira.
Oscar. Feels good to kick your fucking ass.
Wait, guys, a better...
What game?
No,
Oh, oh, yes!
No, no, pop the freaking bubble.
except the GIF I just sent you. That one's better.
I have to download it though.
Just download.
I don't want to download.
Watch how to just do it.
No!